Cutting and buffing is a two-step process used in automotive detailing and paint correction to remove surface imperfections and bring out a deep, glossy shine. Here's a detailed guide to do it properly. Before you start cutting or buffing your car's paint, it's important to make sure the surface is completely clean. Start by washing the car with soapy water to remove dirt and grime. After that, use a clay bar or an iron remover to get rid of stuck-on contaminants like brake dust or road tar that regular washing can't remove. Finally, dry the car fully with a soft microfiber towel or a blower. This step is crucial because if you cut or buff on a dirty surface, you could actually grind the leftover dirt into the paint, causing even more scratches instead of fixing them. Cutting the paint means removing the damaged top layer of the clear coat to reveal a smoother, fresher surface underneath. To do this, apply a cutting compound to a wool or foam pad attached to a dual-action polisher or rotary buffer. Work in small sections, about 2 feet by 2 feet, using overlapping passes and moderate pressure while keeping the pad flat on the surface. After a few passes, wipe away the leftover compound with a clean microfiber towel and check your results. After cutting is done, the next step is polishing to smooth out the surface and bring out a shiny, glossy finish. Switch to a softer polishing pad and use a finishing polish. This helps you keep track of where you've polished and ensures even coverage. Whether you're using a machine or doing it by hand, use steady, even motions to avoid leaving swirls or patchy spots. If polishing by hand, apply light pressure and move the polish in small circular motions with a clean microfiber cloth for the best results. Once polishing is finished, the paint surface is clean but unprotected, so it's important to seal it with a layer of wax. Use a high-quality wax or a synthetic sealant to protect the finish and keep it looking shiny. Car Guy's Hybrid Spray Wax is a quick and easy-to-use product that gives your car a deep, glossy shine while also providing protection. This spray can be used on all exterior surfaces, paint, glass and even plastic without leaving streaks or white residue. Apply the wax in thin, even layers, let it dry to a light haze and then gently buff it off with a clean microfiber towel. This final step helps protect the paint from dirt, UV rays, and moisture. Following these steps will help you achieve a smooth, glossy, showroom-quality finish that turns heads wherever you go. With consistent and a little care, your vehicle will continue to shine beautifully and stay protected from the elements for years to come.